Welcome back to our channel, and if it's your first time watching and you like our content, please hit that subscribe button. Today's adventure brings us back to the Lake District on a 2-day mini break, taking on another 3 Wainwrights.
In this episode, we kick off with a climb up Clough Head, taking in the breathtaking views before checking in at our lovely accommodation for the evening and stopping for a delicious meal in Windermere.
We parked up on a small access point of the B5322 and then followed the distinctive track up through the plantation past Bramcraig Quarry before the steady ascent up to the summit of Clough Head. We're just parked off the B3522 and this is where the actual hike begins, just next to this gate. So just say please allow access. So we've left plenty of room there, but as you can see just in the background there's 2 or 3 cars there and that little lay-by as well. Right, so here we start, guys. It's going to come up the side of this gate. Burn some of those calories off from Mexico. Just a little look back down. So we're just following this track, a windy track, following it round to the left through the woods. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's about 20 degrees on this track now. Just look back down there, there's a car. Hello Boo, you excited? So guys, we're kid free today. AJ's off to Blackpool again with his grandparents. We're stopping overnight in Bowness, a place called the Cozy Loft Apartment. Looks quite nice. We'll give you a little guided tour around that when we get there. About 2.1 miles to the summit. Yeah, you can either go off to the right or continue straight on to the left. We're going to go left. That's where we're heading, guys. Distance there, you've got Skiddaw, Bonscale Pike. The Cappers in front of us. We're going to go through this gate. Take your time, come on. Over there you've got High Rig. That's the one, it's going to be Alan McNamara's final Wainwright, which is, I think it's got planned for September. So we'd agreed to, said we would like to go and do it with him and his family and his friends. Through another gate, I'll give you a look up at Clough Head, look. So this track looks like it's taking us round in like a big half circle. I'm going to start ascending when we get to the end of here by the looks of it. There's farm down there. Just going to come into a bit of the plantation here now. Come on. Pleasant walk this one, guys. Look at that blue sky up there, gorgeous. And this looks like the start of the quarry here. See it there, look. The old baler there, look. Jones balers. Oh yeah, there's a quarry there. There's a couple of caves in amongst that. So if we didn't look on the map, we actually would have missed this. There's a track leading off up there, look. That's where it wants to take us. So up we go. Where it goes, nobody knows. Used to. Apex has got a hiking poles out now. It's pretty steep already, this. Got the poles out myself. That was a sudden change. Steep coming up here. Be able to probably overlook this quarry when we get to the top. Look at this quarry, look. Can I see any caves, like? Start the full ascent. Dun dun dun. I found a new hat for you. Just coming up to a gate now. If you look back, see Christdale Pike in the distance. Skid over there. Got a very welcome breeze here now. Coming up to our first little way marker of the day, and you know that you're on the right path. Right, Bex? Breeze is pretty much stopped now. I tell you what, it's hot. But about 0.7 miles to go now till the summit. Cracking views, look at. Continue on this gravel track now. over half a mile to go. And it looks like it splits off here. There's a bit of a sheep track going up. Not sure if we come off there or we keep going ahead. I'll let you know. Just let this couple get past us. Cracking views of Blen Catherine although. I got the ridge line heading up to the top, to the summit. Nice couple there from down south. Been up and done the Dodds and that today as well. And it ticked off 4. But we're just going to take it an hour straight over. Do one at a time. Oh yeah, Durham water. Over there in the distance. So there's a little bit of a scramble coming up here in amongst the shale. Nearly there now though. Onwards and upwards. See Bill there next to that rock. Nice just to get in the shade for 5 minutes. Yeah, come and stand in this shade. Cool off. There's our third leg of the day. Look through them here. Down water, passing through it. And you can actually see the Irish Sea just between the Catherine and Skiddo there. Nearly there now. 726 metres. Trig is fine there inside. Here we are. Alright. As I always say, for me there's no better feeling than climbing a Wainwright and taking in the views.
Standing at 726 metres, Clough Head is the northernmost summit on the Helvellyn range. It's a popular destination for hikers and there are various routes to the summit, including a direct descent via Threlkeld Knots. Some hiking guides suggest a circular route taken in Great Dodd, Watson's Dodd and Styborough Dodd.
This was Wainwright number 71 for Bex and I. We could have gone on to do the Dodds, but we had a nice apartment and dinner reservation to look forward to. We also had another 2 planned for the next day, and due to the heat, our favourite pub was calling us. Oh, the pub's going to be shut by the time you get down here, man. Bex and fear of heights.
72 hours later.
Yo, will you hurry up, man?
We stopped off at our favourite watering hole in the lakes for a swift pint before checking into our base camp for the evening.
Right guys, so we are here at the Cosy Loft apartment. This is the little foyer, little lobby area. And we're in number 3. Straight up these stairs. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. So straight into the living area. Got a nice little 2-seater sofa and a chair. Look at this, all swanky. Nice TV, look at. And a little dining table there. Then you've got your little kitchenette. Got an oven, fridge, freezer, coffee machine, kettle. Oh, that's your boiler. Let's have a look in the next room here, look. Nice little bathroom, rainfall shower. That's pretty cozy this, and then our bedroom. This big TV, look at that, another LG TV. Some size bed as well. Perfect. Right there. You've got some books that have been left over, and some games, Cluedo, Pass Out. Look outside as well. Little patio area there. we're in Bowness. Not too far, to be fair, from the centre. We've even got a little cocktail set on here, look. Cocktail cards. First one, old fashioned. Second one's got to be a tequila sunrise. We've actually got a washing machine as well, pretty cool. And a dryer. Got all the utensils that you might need. Cutlery. Sorry, the dog's in the way. Got everything. Oh, even got ketchup, peppercorn, salt, pans, etc. Glasses, first aid kit. We've even got Yorkshire tea, Nescafe lattes. Oh, this is perfect. Plates and whatnot in there. I'm guessing this will be potentially a dishwasher. Oh no, you got your bin. Even left this, yeah, there must be a dishwasher somewhere. I'm guessing this is a dishwasher. Yeah, dishwasher as well. Bedroom, you've got like a little open plan cupboard, hair dryer. In it. Nice big mirror there, look. I like this, very nice. So this was I think it worked out £191 for the night. Which, you know, if it'd been in Bowness, right next to Windermere, it's a bargain. And for all the space you get as well. Perfect. Got the little lemons area, look. And I quite like these comic book pictures on the walls. We're literally just parked right outside. Park here between, I think it's 6 PM and 9 AM, free of charge. Just over the road there, where that white car is. I think that's free all day long, I might be wrong. But you've got parking also up there at the Orist Head Hotel. And that's where the trail of Orist Head begins. Guys, we're now off to Easy Breeze, is it? Just on our way to Easy Breeze now, in Bowness. We're going to drive down, but it's about half an hour's walk. Burn off that pint from earlier. Just sat behind here, the lamplighter. We're in the Bowness now. So we made it. About a mile and a half walk. Here we go, guys. Easy Breeze, LA23. Street food and cocktails. Oh yes, now we're talking. Tucked away just off Lake Windermere, the Easy Breeze is a fantastic bar and restaurant. The menu provided plenty to choose from and our food was delicious. So we're going to go for cheesy garlic bread for a starter. What do you think for it? Salt and pepper chicken. Oh, that's nice, that.
We'll share.
I'm going to go for the pesto chicken calzone. Tired. Chicken pesto calzone. And Bex has got the salt and pepper chicken. Yum 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 yum. Thank you, mate. Cheers again. Carrying on Mexico traditions. So got one map out to mark off another one. 71 now. Here we are, number 74 on the map. Clough Head.
As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.